Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are here to plan in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the week of November 2nd. We're using this kit from my store called Cozy at Home. It is one of the newly reformatted Hobo / PP Weeks kits that I have. So we can jump right in. Sorry if you can hear my phone buzzing. Put it on silence for a minute. So silent. Let's see how we do with this full sheet this week. I am filming much later than I normally do in the week. I used to film on Thursdays, then I switched to Tuesdays, and right now it is Saturday before this week starts. So I am a little bit behind, and the reason for that is that the store went insane again this past week, which is amazing. I am so grateful for it. And I honestly just wasn't sure that I would be able to film anything. Okay, that went down remarkably well. A little crooked. Let's see if we can replicate it. The answer is probably not, as usual. In any case, yeah, the store went nuts, and so my life has literally been the Frenchies. Sorry, you might see my head here. Although I think every time I've said that, it hasn't ended up happening, but just in case. Okay, it feels really smooth, so I'm nervous to turn it over and see. Oh my goodness. Can we have a minute just to mark the occasion that I put down, why won't this turn? I put down a full sheet sticker and it didn't wrinkle the page. There is hope in the world. Okay, let's date it. So yes, as I was saying, it is much later in the week than I normally plan, but life has been crazy. And I didn't actually think I was going to film anything this week, and then I decided Thursday that I actually might. So I had actually said to my cousin Emily, who I've mentioned on this channel before, she and her boyfriend have a vlog channel on YouTube. I'll link it down below for you. And she has recently been helping me out with some of the business side of life by doing some of the editing for me for my videos. So I said to her last weekend, I think, I'm not sure that I'm going to film anything next week. And then I said, but knowing me, I will get to Thursday and I will miss filming, and then I'll want to do it. And sure enough, that is exactly what happened. On Thursday, I messaged her and said, you know what, I might. Okay, so let's think about what I want to mark here, because it is kind of a big week, because this is election day, and yes, I am Canadian, and no, I cannot vote, but oh my goodness, does this election just affect everybody in the world? Yes. And America, I gotta tell you, all eyes are on you right now. But in any case, I'm gonna mark that. I'm gonna use this one here because it is a big day. So I'm using the Micro Perm 05, which I may have used once before, but generally I use a different one in here. More often than not, I use the 01. So I'm just gonna put this down on Tuesday because I don't actually have I don't think I've got anything to mark for Monday. And because I use this as my little journal, it doesn't have to have everything in it that I'm doing for the week. So that is election day. I am going to put the little trash can here, or I think it's actually just recycling we have this Tuesday, so I'll put that there. Wednesday is also a big day because we have the electrician coming to, I think I mentioned this in a couple different videos, but we're in the process of moving my office to our master bedroom, a 3-way room switch. Anyway, it's a whole thing that I will film part of and show you guys. But the, so 2 things to mark. One is that the cleaning lady is coming. So house cleaning, this is on Wednesday. And the electrician is coming to move our master bedroom off the current breaker onto its own so that I can run multiple things without blowing, like flipping the breaker all the time. So electrician for breakers. And they are actually going to overlap in time, which is not ideal. I'm just going to turn this way because it's going to be easier to put this down on Wednesday, upside down. It's not going to be ideal because my daughter's also going to be doing school at the same time, but we will figure it out. She has to take the morning off of school. It is not the end of the world, really. Okay, what little icons do I have here? I have the little house. Just gonna put that right in the middle of the 2 of them. All right, next up, I like to use these little checkbox strips as not a checkbox, but somewhere to mark down sort of the top events of the day. Last time I think I actually used them as a separator, which I did like, but I think this time I'm just gonna put them at the bottom of each day, just like this, to just write down my highlights or a couple little notes. I wonder if I could, I was gonna move that to the top of the page, but I'm gonna refrain because I'll probably regret it when it rips everything. Okay, I know I marked election day here. Election day is usually, like, no matter which election it is, it's usually somewhat of a date night for my husband and I because I'm very much into the election. I think I have a date night script here. Yes. So what I'm going to do with this is take this and just put it there, and gonna write that there, and then I'm gonna grab the 01 and just write election date night, and then I'm gonna see if I have some new little emojis that I got, or like little icons, and I'm just seeing if I've got one that would work. So these are from PD Print and Plan store, I think. I'll link her store down below. There isn't one that has, like, I don't have one that has two people on it, but I do have this one that I think I'm gonna use, and I'm just gonna put it right there. And then I think I'm gonna grab one of my little arrows and use it. Do I have one that can point the right way? No, hold on. This is a Planner Pixie Co one that I'm gonna pull and just put that right there. Okay. I think that that is it for what I need to mark in this planner. Everything else gets done after the fact in post planning. So I think that wraps it up. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.